Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily copy Twitter profile link. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's begin, and first open up Twitter app. Then tap at your profile picture and hit at profile. Unfortunately, there are no option on Twitter to copy your profile link, but I'll show you simple trick how you can easily do that. So just hit right here at the share icon underneath any of your tweets. Just like that, and then hit add copy link. That copies the link at your particular to be to the clipboard. After that, you can hop out to Twitter and open up any app, any messenger, any notes app, for example, where you want to send or save this Twitter profile link. I'm just gonna open up WhatsApp then. I'm gonna enter a conversation. Then I should paste that link to that text field. And now you should remove all the characters except the first part, twitter.com/your username. That's actually your profile link. So you can position cursor right here before the last slash, and then in that simple way, you can select data that you want to remove. And now we got that link to our Twitter profile. We can just hit it here at send button to send it to the recipient. You can right now tap at that link to open up your Twitter profile. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. And also, I recommend you to check out my Twitter tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.